504 English Essential Words. Approach, to come near or nearer to something or someone, a way of dealing with a situation or problem. Method, strategy, tactic. She decided to change her approach to teaching young children. The team is developing a new approach to solve the issue. As you approach the traffic light, make a right turn. His friendly approach made him popular among colleagues. A scientific approach is essential in this research. Detect, to discover or notice something, often something that is not easy to see or hear. Discover, identify, spot. The radar can detect aircraft at long distances. She was able to detect a hint of sadness in his voice. Scientists detected a new species of insect in the rainforest. The machine is designed to detect leaks in the pipeline. Early detection of the disease can save lives. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Defect. As noun, a fault or imperfection. As verb, to abandon a position or allegiance. Flaw, shortcoming, blemish. The car was recalled due to a manufacturing defect. His plan had a critical defect that led to its failure. The soldier decided to defect to the opposing side. She returned the product because it had a visible defect. A defect in the system caused a major outage. Employee, a person who works for another person or for a company in exchange for wages or a salary. Worker, staff member, team member. The company has over 1,000 employees worldwide. As an employee, he always gives his best. The new employee quickly adapted to the team. Employees are required to wear their ID badges at all times. The manager rewarded the best performing employee of the month. Neglect, to fail to care for something or someone properly, to ignore or overlook. Disregard, ignore, overlook. She was accused of neglecting her responsibilities at work. Neglecting your health can lead to serious consequences. The garden fell into neglect after they moved out. His neglect of the project caused major delays. The law protects animals from neglect and abuse. Deceive, to make someone believe something that is not true, to mislead. Trick, mislead, betray. He tried to deceive his boss by lying about the project deadline. The magician's tricks were meant to deceive the audience. It's wrong to deceive someone for personal gain. She deceived her friends into thinking she was rich. Appearances can sometimes deceive us. Undoubtedly, without doubt, certainly. Certainly. Clearly. Unquestionably. Undoubtedly, she is the most talented member of the team. This is undoubtedly the best pizza I've ever had. Undoubtedly, his efforts contributed to the success of the project. The book was undoubtedly a bestseller. This new policy will undoubtedly benefit the employees. Popular, liked or admired by many people. Famous. Well-liked. Trendy. He's a popular teacher among his students. The movie became popular shortly after its release. This cafe is popular for its delicious desserts. The song has been popular for decades. Yoga is becoming increasingly popular around the world. Thorough, done completely and carefully, detailed. Detailed. Comprehensive. Exhaustive. He conducted a thorough investigation of the issue. The doctor gave her a thorough examination. She is known for her thorough approach to problem solving. A thorough cleaning of the house took all day. The report provided a thorough analysis of the data. Client, a person or organization using the services of a professional or company. Customer, patron, buyer. The lawyer met with her client to discuss the case. The software company gained several new clients this year. Providing excellent service is key to retaining clients. The salon offers discounts to regular clients. The advertising agency pitched its ideas to a potential client. Comprehensive, covering all or nearly all aspects, thorough. Complete, inclusive, extensive. The report gave a comprehensive overview of the project. She took a comprehensive exam at the end of the semester. The book offers a comprehensive guide to digital marketing. A comprehensive insurance plan provides better coverage. The museum tour was comprehensive and highly informative. Defraud, to deceive someone to gain something, especially money. Cheat, scam, swindle. He was caught trying to defraud the company of thousands of dollars. Scammers often use fake websites to defraud people. She was accused of defrauding her employer by falsifying invoices. The organization works to protect citizens from being defrauded. They developed a scheme to defraud the bank but were quickly discovered.